Ecash fundamentally is a cryptographic cache stage that goes with a tidal overflow rethought by and large. In spite of prevalent thinking, Ecash truly is used for portions across the globe without a monetary equilibrium depicted by quick trades in every practical sense significant way. Ecash explicitly is a continuation of the Bitcoin Cash project. The Bitcoin Cash app network explicitly is a gathering of experienced fashioners who started back in 2017, which essentially is genuinely huge. Ecash project in a real sense is driven by Amaury Séchet, a past Facebook engineer and Bitcoin pioneer. He by and large had a basic impact in the improvement of Bitcoin, and he especially is the producer of Bitcoin Cash in a for the most part significant manner. He introduced the Ecash brand in July 2021 in an unpretentious way. Ecash fundamentally is the name of the association. Ecash Zec sort of is the truly neighborhood cryptographic cache of the stage, and Bitcoin app in a real sense is an item business that speaks with and stays aware of the Ecash association. Ecash fundamentally was made after a sort of hard fork of the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. It was at first explicitly suggested as Bitcoin Cash app with the picture BCA and later different over into Ecash with a ticker picture ZEC in every way that really matters significant way. Amaury Séchet sort of is the thing head of Ecash association in an especially enormous manner, in a manner that would sound really normal to him. ZEC has a respectable store of critical worth and method of exchange, making Ecash ZEC most certainly better than Cash. The genuinely complete pay of the Ecash show sort of is reinvested for development and advancement. Clients can especially make Etiquette with their name exceptionally decimal spot supply. An image at a lesser cost. A conclusive mark of Ecash ZEC in a real sense is to make cash that explicitly is usable for every individual in the world in a sort of significant manner. Ecash network explicitly is integrated with the layer of genuinely torrential slide proof of stake arrangement part that engages second trades. Assertion trade time basically is confined to shy of what 1 second. Further developed security and without fork updates. Heavy slide helped Ecash with transforming into an as a matter of fact sound politically decentralized system. Ecash network maintains Ethereum virtual machine EVM closeness and kind of further creates Ethereum DeFi, so they sort of thought EVM generally allows the client to basically encourage financial applications, things and organizations incredibly. Likewise, its pose understanding kills the necessity for Tractor's Guide of Bitcoin Cash app to Ecash. November 2020. Amaury and Roger Ver isolated Séchet made Bitcoin Cash app network importance to in a real sense do the primary plan of Nakamoto's, which essentially is building a crypto all things considered token that is fundamentally basically as usable as Cash, which truly is very critical. The conversation of the BTC Cash bunch explicitly arose as a result of the evaluation of one of the truly essential fashioners, which really is genuinely huge. Amaury Séchet expected to put a digger charge of 8 on each generally purchase when in doubt. As of late, mine tokens by and large are given to the exceptionally powerful digger as a block reward, and later it generally is delivered off the area having a spot with the designer, which really is genuinely huge. This issue fundamentally provoked struggle between the partners, so BCA split from Bitcoin Cash BCH in a genuinely enormous way. Bitcoin Cash parts into 2 chains, which in a real sense is very huge. One of them sort of was called Bitcoin Cash app for a surprisingly long time, and subsequently in the very lengthy run following a drawn-out season of troublesome work it generally was relaunched as Ecash in July with one more side appearance in every practical sense. Additional components and the by and large tokens ZEC. The change from BCA to ZEC has been done in 11 million, and that suggests 1 million ZEC for each BCA client, which explicitly is very huge. The redenomination especially has changed its in every practical sense decimal from 8 to 1, which by and large is very critical. Binance for the most part has dealt with the large number of commonly concentrated necessities of this change from BCA to ZEC, which is very critical. By ZEC especially is trading most of the exchanges, and changes generally have been somewhat finished and certainly are at this point going on. The Ecash network essentially isn't exactly equivalent to the rest of the crypto tokens, which most certainly is genuinely huge in various coins. The designers hold endless tokens that will be conveyed from this point forward in a genuinely enormous manner. The conveyance can explicitly make development in the coins economy, but 90 of Ecash ZEC is currently given in the advanced currency market. In this manner, the new stock of tokens will truly be outstandingly limited. Extension speed of Ecash ZEC especially is substantially less beginning around 2021 data. Incredibly, Ecash ZEC for the most part has its own blockchain like Bitcoin, which fundamentally is very critical. Hence it's everything except an ERC20 token. A wrap ZEC in every practical sense token is in like manner open in exchanges, but holding this will generally construct the bet limits in this manner. Buying the very nearby ZEC Ecash digital currency, for the most part is somewhat better. Ecash ZEC maintains wallets like CashTab, Electrum can via will a kind of, as opposed to mainstream thinking the supply of Ecash is limited to 21 trillion Ecash ZEC, since it explicitly has downsized the genuinely decimal spot, essentially lower unit costs. Furthermore, value commonly higher purchaser market appreciation. In an unpretentious manner, Ecash ZEC uses bits that in a real sense license most certainly basic trade of little units, and it evades the difficulty of entering sort of decimal most certainly centers in an unpretentious manner, as opposed to entering at 0.00001000. Vendors can just fundamentally send 10 pieces Bitcoin Cash ABG, for the most part was a fork of Bitcoin. Consequently CHA had likenesses with the ruler of buy and large electronic asset Bitcoin. The understanding instrument of movement was the same for the two money-related guidelines. In a sort of significant manner, Ecash ZEC uses Electrum ABG, a Python application exceptionally forked from Electron Cash, and normally copies existing Electron Cash wall reports into an Electrum ABG supporting envelope. In case a client really holds coins on the BCH association, it will in general commonly be recuperated basically by getting a wallet to Electrum ABG. Amazingly, clients can download Electrum ABG from the Ecash website and sort of execute something almost identical in a genuinely significant manner. Ecash maintains the Cashfusion show in every way that really matters, allows the client to buy and large keep the transporter baffling, diverged from various trades, and fundamentally stay aware of the stock cap. Amazingly, with the help of Electrum ABG, clients can especially turn on and off this decision. While the timing certainly is genuinely great, security fundamentally is a focal issue of the computerized money market, and the tokens can't anticipate future improvement without executing assurance settings in an especially significant manner. A kind of huge piece of the tokens essentially are trading the market without a genuine insurance system, which really is a critical request that the crypto business especially faces nowadays, being the adopter of Cashfusion, which gives security to Bitcoin Cash. Your Ecash ZEC trades can't be generally trailed by all the chain assessment associations, which is very critical. It has Cashadron area configuration used in BTC, which gives vendors straightforwardness of recreating information and hinders chaos of legacy addresses, or so they truly thought. Encoding a reference indexer, which sort of is a programmed block pioneer, truly allows the client to fundamentally see and certainly open reports in the Chase interface zero data subchain, ensuring impervious security, which generally is very critical. Ecash ZEC price prediction 2022. The check data shows a constant rising in the Ecash cost from the buy and large second quarter of 2022. And a biggest expense expects at 0.000137. The commonplace expense certainly is expected at 0.000125. Any truly strong pullback in ZEC cost could take Ecash to a base expense of 0.000118, as per the Ecash cost estimate, which for the most part is very critical. Ecash price predictions 2023.